it's Tanya from Homeschool, and I'm just doing a quick flip through and look at the geography and maps activities from Ram McNally for the beginners 6+. Now, I have just done a quick flip through and look at the geography and maps activities for the 9+ from Ram McNally. So if you want to look at that one, go to Homeschool YouTube channel and you will see that one. But my son who uses this is 8, so he doesn't quite fit in that 9+ category, and he is a reluctant reader and writer. So we were really looking for something fun and concise to get some geography covered. Alrighty, so I bought this on Amazon. I think I had to get it from the US, so it took about 2-3 weeks to arrive. So if you're needing it for the next term, I would order ahead. I think it was about $20. So, table of contents, here is what is covered. Making sense of maps, introducing world geography, discovering the contents, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica, and a glossary. So I would put this down in point form on my moderator's report. For those in Australia, we have to provide a report. Or a report actually really helps. So I would actually write down this title of what book we're using for geography and then these key points is what we've covered. So let's have a quick flip through. Okay, so as I said, wanted something fun, concise and quick. He already gets quite bogged down with his language arts program, reading and writing, so we want to do something that we can, very quickly and easily cover some geography. So a bit of information and then an activity. That's how Ram McNally books tend to run. Bit of information, I often write for him, and then an activity. So really fun. It's really colourful. I have looked and looked and looked at so many geography books and they all look so boring. Would totally lose my son. So Ram McNally books tend to run like this, the geography books anyway. A little bit of information and then let's look at the map and complete an activity. 2 or 3 questions. This one, they get to colour in. Nice and colourful animations, matching up. Always like to try and do flip throughs of the books and resources that we get, and I remember, because these are so helpful to me because I want to find out if it's going to work for my kiddies. And if it's boring or looks boring, black and white, with a lot of writing and a lot of space to write answers, I'm going to lose my kids. So just try to get it done in the most concise, fun way, and interesting way. Another activity, just had to use different markers to mark out different areas. Okay, we read, and then because he's a reluctant writer, I will often write the answers for him. Not all the time. Depends what we've done already for language arts. Okay. Guys, if you can't find flip throughs on YouTube, which I will search and search and search and search and search for flip throughs of a variety of, or whatever resource I'm looking to buy. Sometimes if you go on Amazon, here you go, he wrote this one. If you go on Amazon, people's reviews will actually be really, really helpful. I need to go and do more reviews with pictures, because that's what really helps me decide whether to buy it or not. So again, just some information and some answers. Information and a little activity. information, and 3 answers. Information and a little activity. And sticky, information, and a little activity. And that's how it tends to roll. And some mazes, keeping it fun. Super fun. Again, some more colouring in. What we got here? Oh, getting sticky, sorry guys. Map, let's look at the map. Lots of looking at the map, which is good. And then some answers. A bit of fun there. So each activity can take 5 to 10 minutes. So, you know, you can easily do where you do 1 or 2 a week. And then there's over kind of 100 activities. Well, not 100 activities, because one activity shares 2 pages. So well over 50. So, you know, 1 or 2 a week and you easily get it covered. A real quick way. Australia, did this today. Some about Aboriginals. By the way, I saw this in their book, Gook for egg in Australia. I've lived in Australia all my life and have never heard an egg being called gook. Anyway. Map and activity. Map, activity. So, yeah, hope you guys are finding this useful, this quick flip through. It was meant to be quick, but I want you guys to get a good look at the pages because sometimes the flip throughs go through really, really fast and I can't figure out if it's going to be a good match activity. So here we go, some more mapping stuff. So really get a good intro to looking at maps. That's a glossary. Oh, and there is answer keys as well. So yeah, guys, I hope that you guys have found this little flip through helpful in deciding whether it's a good fit for your kiddies. Thanks, guys. Happy homeschooling.